name is Jacob Miller, and I'm here to teach you how to play soccer or football. First, we will start off with our warm-ups. First, you set the ball down. First, you got to count how many feet from the soccer goal. You should be 20 feet away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You set the ball down and you stretch your legs. Ah! 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 For beginners, we are only supposed to start off with three squats. Then you switch the legs. Ah! 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 Then you step 3 feet away from the soccer ball. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 feet over. 1, 2. Then you go 1, 2, 3, kick. That's how you do it. That is how you play soccer. So let's kick it in the goal. 1, 2, 3. 2 feet over. 1, 2. 1, 2. And that is how you play soccer ball.